Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today's video I want to show you how I make native stew with fish, so just stay tuned. So I'm gonna add my red oil to my pot. So I will be adding my tomato. So this tomato I blended with onion, with pepper, red chili. So I blend all together to make a paste. So I'm going to cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So we are going to check now. So I'm gonna add my nut cube. So at this point I have my tilapia fish. So I soak this fish in salt water. So just easily placed all together. This is what Yoruba people call Omi Obe. So I'm going to cover it for about 10 minutes. I'm going to check now. So I'm going to add salt. So I will add extra nut cube. So I'll cover it for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, so this is the end result of my stew, my Omi Obe. So this is what they call Omi Obe in Lagos. So this is how to prepare it. It's very simple and delicious. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video to help someone. Thank you. You can join me now.